So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Latika, and I've been working with IMAI for past 15 years. And by the virtue of working around 690 plus organizations at IMAI, I think it's been a great shades of IMAI digital industry that I get to meet founders, I get to meet innovators, and I also get to meet the ever fast-paced industry ecosystem startups. Having said that, I think today is an extra special day. This marks my meeting with Srikanth almost 8 years back. Srikanth, I still remember coming to your Bangalore office on the 4th floor and discussing that time India Affiliate Summit. So, given that out of 30 working days, you spend almost half of your time globally, what has been your secret sauce to where you were, to where you have reached?
Hi everyone. It's good to see that I'm coming for this event. I think after I missed 2 of these events in between, I was traveling. And I'm very happy to be here and with the new name Click. Thank you so much continuing this. I always believe that anything new you start, before the revenue, it creates the employment. I love being and believe in creating an employment. I always feel that affiliate industry, knowingly, we don't have proper stats, but I think it gives a huge impact and it creates a huge impact on the employment part. And also it gives a journey for people to start into the digital space and they can grow from there. Otherwise, if you want to enter into the mainstream digital, you need degrees, you need experiences, many more things. But affiliate industry is the one which kind of helped a lot of people and a lot of entrepreneurs it's created. Nice to see you all. Yes.
So Srikanth, given that you have given me the choice of making sure that this chat is going to be vulnerable, at the same time quite open, what you would have given as an advice to Srikanth, who was 25-year-old?
Okay. So I want to listen to your question, but there's a lot of noise. I think networking is happening at a fast pace outside. Can we close the door? Is it possible? Or this is how it is?
This is how it is.
This is how it is. Lovely. Chalo, great. So first question का मैं जवाब नहीं दिया. Let me answer the first question regarding what was the first question?
What will be the difference for an Indian organization versus the global organization, and what when you?
I think I always believe that whenever I travel, whenever I see international companies closely, one is what is related to my work, and one is what is not related to my work.
Okay.
I think they value their propositions. I think whatever they're proposing, I think they value a lot. I don't think that happens in India. Because you say something, when you say something that you value first, I think that's what happened. And I've seen in the global companies that I think it is very difficult eventually to crack some deals. But eventually, everyone has to bend towards if the value has some value in what you believe.
Right.
I think that is missing in India. If you believe that yes, I can do this and I believe in this, this is my value proposition, and that's it. So convincing is later stage. First, putting your point is something what is critical. I think India में बहुत miss करता है वो, and especially affiliate industry में क्या होता है ना, we start our everyday goes with fear of losing. आपको मैं fear of losing का subject बताता हूँ क्या होता है. मैं एक कस्टमर को खो जाता हूँ 200 से 150 कर लेता हूँ lead cost. I don't want to lose this client.
Right.
Or I don't want to lose this opportunity. Fear of losing से धंधा शुरू करते हैं ना. I think it's always difficult to grow. We should stop doing that. Fear of losing, deals.
Okay.
This is what I learned, and I never do that.
So on that note, coming to my second question, if you had to mentor your 25-year-old self who was starting this journey, what is the first piece of advice? Because I see a lot of youngsters here. What would have been the first piece of advice then?
See, at the age of 25, one is you get inspired by yourself and you get inspired by outside you.
Okay.
You have a fight between both. So if you have great inspiration by yourself, I think if you stick to that I feel that's what I did that. Because मैं जब market में जाता हूँ, when I come to these kind of events, there are big giants and big companies with big boards. and I look at them, I get inspired, I go to office and I do my shit.
Okay.
I will not get into what you do, boss. You are doing that, you have a big board there because you did enough for years. I'm very happy.
Right.
I look at you, but I go to my office, I start talking 1, 2, 3 numbers. I will not see that वो कर रहा है, हम भी वो करेंगे. So my recently क्या हुआ था? I was in China for an
Right.
event called China Joy.
Right.
I've seen lot of affiliates having a booth there. The small, I don't call small affiliates, there are aspiring affiliates. Now, I wonder that sometimes I think that would I do that if I am at their position, that size? I would never do that.
What would have
I may
happened?
visit. I would
Okay.
never put a booth.
Okay.
I may go for to learn things. I visited US for 6 years or 7 years continuously. I never had a booth. I always go to visit, learn, and can I implement those things in India? I never want to start a business in US for 6 years. The idea is, यार जो जिधर है उधर तो ठीक से काम करो, उधर से try to win those clients who you have and try to win the trust from your employees and trust from your investors, trust from your clients. Post that, once you have enough ability to move beyond
Then you
are.
move.
So मेरा एक है global play versus regional play. I'm a believer of regional play. Global play को थोड़ा दूर रखता हूँ. जब मैं ready होता हूँ, then I will do that.
So on that note, given that you are more of, you said, regional player, in that case, what was your smartest risk that you took that you think has paid off well?
One of the, see, my answers will be pointing out 2 or 3 things.
Sure.
One is don't do too many things. So it घूम के वही आते रहेगा. But I keep telling that the smartest thing is that I only did what I can deliver. I
Right.
never touched anything what I cannot deliver. That is one thing. The second thing is the risk-wise, if I see that what I want to do in the long term, like अगले 10 साल में, अगले 8 साल में, what a companies will look like. Can I start investing a little money there without looking a return now? So, for example, when we started, one of our first hiring was tech guy,
Okay.
which is 25,000 rupees, PHP developer, and I don't know what to do with him. I hired him, 25,000 रुपए का दे सकता हूँ, इसलिए अपॉइंट किया है, थोड़ा धंधा बढ़ा दिया, बाद में कर दिया. So then slowly we started building CRM panel, X, Y, Z. Then today we have our own tracking platforms, and today we have our own tech platforms, programmatic platform, multiple things we own today.
Right.
I mean, it's been 9 years over, so 8th year mein, I got my own tracking platform. I built my own tracking, everything. But I started this journey 8 years back with little. So that is the risk, or you say, that is the investment, you say, these kind of things, which you need to do. But not too much. Don't try to become a tiger while you be something else.
So what, according to you, will be the difference between a good founder vis-a-vis a great founder?
So this looks like now,
Because you already said, right, you're only going to be doing only
Yeah.
small things, small efforts.
So I'll tell good founder is for today. Great founder is for today and tomorrow. So जो कल के लिए, जो after you is a great. When you are there, that is good. I think that is the difference. By तुम जाने के बाद भी धंधा चलता है, तुम जाने के बाद भी business growth होता है, that is a great founder. तुम जब तक है तब तक ही धंधा चलता है, तुम जब तक है तब तक ही सब कुछ चलता है, बाद में नहीं चलता, then you are a good, because तब तक you are running everything good. I find that is a good founder versus great founder.
So if we want के धंधा बाद में भी चले, what should be those 2-3 most viable things which the founder should look at?
So one of the most important things that if you are making money, you need to know from where you are making money. You need to realize that, and how much money you are putting back into that of where you are making money.
Okay.
This is one important thing. If you are making 10 rupees profit, are you putting that some percentage back into the same business from where you got? And how much percentage you are keeping into the similar business? Maybe tech, which leads ad tech which leads, fintech, tech which leads to, martech platforms. These two things which I always tell that. But if you go too much diversification, like पैसा बनाया, कल जाके मैं टूरिस्ट कंपनी चालू करूँगा. पैसा बनाया मैं इधर से मैं जाकर, then it is, I always feel that will lead to a failure. I think because you made money from this source, X source, and you are leaving that X source and going putting money in Y source, that is something I feel that is wrong. This is बहुत बड़ा success है because we are two founders, me and my, and we try to push. नहीं, पैसा उधर इधर नहीं जाएगा, धंधा में जाएगा. And we have our discussions, arguments, we have everything, but we come to one common decision that let's grow the business of what business we are doing. I don't know other businesses than what we are doing. I never know. I know I don't have any other income. The only income is this business.
Given that I know you and Satish well, Satish is the co-founder for Value Leaf and Buddy Loan. And now that we're talking about diversification and doing the dhanda which we understand, Value Leaf to Buddy Loan, what was the pivoting and how did you all start that?
So, one is, affiliate marketing क्या होता है? One is you grow your business, but you build other brands. आप पैसा बनाएगा, but आपको build नहीं करेगा. You build the brands. After 10 years, वो brand बनेगा, गेमिंग कंपनी जैसा, फिनटेक कंपनी जैसा बनेगा. वेयर यू आर देयर यू आर सेम. आप प्रॉफिट बनाएगा, लग्जरी गाड़ी में घूमेगा, बट यू विल नेवर मेक अ ब्रांड लाइक व्हाट यू बिल्ड फॉर समवन एल्स. सो दिस वाज लिटिल बॉदरिंग मी. सो आई थॉट व्हाट आई कैन स्टार्ट विद इन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. कैन आई डू द सेम थिंग बट विच आई कैन ओन इट फॉर लॉन्ग, विच आई कैन ओन इट एज अ ब्रांड. सो दैट इज वेयर द बडी लोन केम इन द पिक्चर. सो दैट हैज स्टार्टेड धीरे धीरे चालू किया. And this all I learned from US.
Okay.
All US market, and I saw there, and I didn't see the brands there, but I saw how this entire ecosystem, technology used for ad tech business. We learned that and we came and utilized in India because we don't understand other than our India. We understand India better. Now we understand other countries also. For that you need time, energy and money. And also थोड़ा एबिलिटी भी. ये तीन होने के बाद आपको एबिलिटी नहीं है तो वो भी नहीं कर सकते. सो वी हैव ट्राई टू फिनिश एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल विद इन इंडिया, एंड बडी लोन इज वन ऑफ द की प्रोडक्ट इट बिकम, एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द टफ कॉम्पिटिशन इन द lending space. We generate around 80,000 to 1 lakh applications every day.
Wow.
Yeah. So now, which was we didn't expect. So मैं पहले ये आइडिया किससे बात किया था पता है? वन ऑफ द लेंडिंग एग्रीगेटर का फाउंडर के साथ इन IMI का AGM मीटिंग में.
Wow, that's a applause for being IMI member in that case.
So IMI मेंबर था, वो भी मैं भी मेंबर थे. AGM मीटिंग में ब्रेक मिला लंच में. मैं बोला सर ये पेडे लोन मैं सुनना को I was listening about this पेडे लोन from US. What do you think about it? I पेडे लोन वगैरह नहीं चलता यार इधर. मैं बोला देयर इज अदर टर्म्स होता ना इधर, शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स.
राइट.
सो मैं बोला शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स कहाँ करो, दे डोंट डू शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स. इट्स अ वेरी बिग कंपनी, आई डोंट वांट टू टेक द नेम.
श्योर.
एंड ही टोल्ड नो, मत चालू करो, कुछ नहीं है. सो मैं वो चालू करता हूँ सर, देखता हूँ. एंड बिफोर टॉकिंग टू माई पार्टनर आई स्पोक टू हिम फर्स्ट AGM मीटिंग में. एंड इट देन ही मेट मी आफ्टर 5 years इन वन ऑफ द इवेंट. इट टोल्ड कॉम्पिटिशन दे रहे यार हमको तो आप. So that level we came, and zero funding. There is no fund for it till.
Wonderful. That's amazing. Yeah. So coming back, what do you think is missing when the brands are looking at and working with the affiliate industry? How can an Indian organization, especially ad network, affiliates, the programmatic performance companies, stand out and make them the brands trust?
So I'll tell you, India का जो brands है ना,
right?
India का brands marketing को I rate very less compared to global marketing.
Why so?
I think, I don't know why. I mean, if you know that why America is top because marketing.
Right.
So India, which Indian brand is ruling global markets? No, right? Which American? How many American brands are ruling global market?
Right.
So it's all because of the marketing. It's
right.
How you market your product. So I don't have a great rating for the marketing team, that is what we need to do, because we have a job. This is our roti bread
Right.
kind of thing for us. We need to kind of go to the brands with full information, with what you can do, at least 60-70%. You should have clarity. And you should tell them that I will, whatever I am telling, 60% I can do, or 50% I can do, or 70% I can do. Don't commit anything. Because यहाँ पे marketing is a chance. What is marketing? Marketing is a chance. You take a chance on it. It is not fixed. It is not at a stamp. मैं सीएम वो था इसलिए मैं बोल पाता हूँ ये चीज़. आप कुछ ट्राई करेगा, अभी हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं होता, ट्राई तो करेगा. There are so many things which succeeded, which is failed. So when you go to the brand, you need to go with full conviction. सामने जो बैठा उसको कुछ नहीं आता, मेरे को सारे समझाना पड़ेगा, in a good way.
Right.
Once you explain to him and you tell this is the commitment, right, and this will happen at least 5-6 meetings के बाद. एक मीटिंग में नहीं होगा, and that to 5-6 meetings should happen every week. Every week one meeting होना, not with too much gap. So I used to meet a client for 6 months, almost every week. Sometimes if I miss, alternate week. 6 months, and I was doing that business. अभी तक 6-7 साल में मैं कम से कम 500 करोड़ किया होगा बंधन दोस्त में. 500 crores that companies have. So I cannot name those companies, but
Of course.
the meeting is very important. Understanding gap will reduce every meeting. So अभी पहला मीटिंग मिला तो 10% समझ में आएगा, सेकंड मीटिंग में 20%, थर्ड मीटिंग में 30%. आप दोस्ती होते होते 6 महीने लग जाएगा, and you both will come on to the same platform. So if you don't meet, if you don't do, 3 महीने में रिश्ता टूट जाएगा, and you will become blacklisted. They don't want to work with you. You don't want to work with them. This is what happens. If you continuously meet, it will cost flight. If you take all the costing also, na, it will not be more than some few percentage digits.
And during lunchtime, he made me clearly believe, because we were just doing prep up, that if you want to do a breakup, you have to do an immediate breakup. It's not a divorce. Don't linger it around. No,
Don't
Shrikant?
linger it, yeah. Breakup means break. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है break.
So that's Shrikant for you guys. That's his philosophy. So what is that one mistake which you feel most of the people end up doing, but maybe they can look at it and maybe avoid it?
So in affiliates,
Especially, yes.
Yeah. I think Indian affiliate system. If you look at IAS है ना, बहुत amazing होता था. Indian affiliate summit. I was telling her, एक जमाना पे everyone used to look for this event. 2 महीने, 3 महीने पहले everyone want to come, and there is a good crowd today also. But if you look at, there is some little not growing the way we should grow. It is there because affiliates are not believed by the brands.
Right.
Somewhere there is a gap. धंधा नहीं हो रहा है, growth नहीं आ रहा है, and most of the affiliates में क्या होता है, that if you expect 100, normally 80-90 होता है ना. If you expect 100, it will happen 10 or 5. That is the situation today. That is why people are losing the hopes and trying to figure out. We have to leave what brand says. So what my suggestion is that जब भी कुछ, if you want to make it big for you, don't try to make everyone success in your bucket list. Take that 5 clients. जो आपको कन्विक्ट लगता है आपका होमवर्क में, if you feel that these 5 clients are going to spend, these 5 clients have vision to grow, take them and spend time with them. Instead of doing 2 lakhs with them, do 20 lakhs with them. 5 lakh clients से 1 crore का plan करो, but try to give yourself there completely. If you don't do that, ना, if you try to see that, यार मैं एक चीज़ बोलूँ आपको, मेरा जो फ्रेंड्स है वो अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट, ये जो ई-कॉमर्स कंपनीज है ना, बहुत कैंपेन करता था जब करता था.
Right.
मैं आज तक एक क्लिक जनरेट नहीं किया. कैन यू बिलीव दैट? टिल टुडे 1 क्लिक वी हैव नॉट जनरेटेड ऑन दैट कॉस्ट पर सेल. कभी लिया ही नहीं, मेरे से होता ही नहीं. वो कर रहा है, करने दो, बढ़िया, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. ये फ्लिपकार्ट करने दो, बढ़िया. फ्लिपकार्ट मैंने मार्केटिंग हेड से भी मिला. वी हैड चाय, वी हैड कॉफ़ी. मैं सब करके मैं निकल गया. मैं धंधा नहीं पूछा. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू योर बिजनेस. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू जनरेट सेल्स फॉर यू. my friends companies are doing, I'm very happy. जो नहीं हो सकता है तो नहीं हो सकता है. अरे जो वो कर रहे हैं तो मेरे को क्यों करना है? मेरे को जो आते हैं वही करूँगा ना. मेरा भाषा अलग है, वो फ्लिपकार्ट का मार्केटिंग हेड कुछ अलग भाषा में बात करता, समझ में नहीं आता. इट्स एलियन लैंग्वेज, माई लैंग्वेज इज एलियन फॉर हिम, हिज लैंग्वेज इज एलियन फॉर मी. समझ में नहीं आया तो उसमें क्यों घुसने का? जो आता है वही करो. सब कुछ नहीं आता. यू शुड नॉट डू व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग. फक, यू शुड डू व्हाट यू कैन डू. दैट्स इट. जो आपको कर सकते, 4 क्लाइंट करो, 5 क्लाइंट करो, बस खत्म हो गया. अभी बहुत सारे चीज़ों क्या है ना, एफिलिएट है ना, ईजी लगता है. 2 साल काम करो एक कंपनी में, चलो मैं बाहर साला सेठ से झगड़ा हो गया, निकल जाओ, मैं धंधा चालू करता. अरे धंधा चालू करना इतना थोड़ी ईजी होता है. ऐसा करना है तो द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट इट्स देर इज इंडस्ट्री में प्रॉब्लम, एम्प्लॉयज में प्रॉब्लम, क्लाइंट्स में प्रॉब्लम, ब्रांड में प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट सीन ए शो ने माउंटेन्स ऑफ सक्सेस नहीं दिखाया.
Right.
We never make them dependent towards us. So if you make 5-6 clients, रगड़ रगड़ के काम करो, बाजू वाला जो करने तो करने दो. Anything they do, let's not focus on that. Focus on what you can do. There is a client called Bank Bazaar who is next to our office.
Okay.
उसके अंदर जो CM वो काम करता है उस टाइम पे, रंजित बोल के, एक गुड फ्रेंड, वो ऑफिस आता था. एंड मेरा जो कॉम्पिटिटर दिल्ली में सोना रोड का जो ऑफिस है, वन ऑफ द ऑफिस उसका है, दे बिल 35, 40, 50 लाख, 60 लाख, 1 करोड़ भी करता था उसके साथ. आई हैव नॉट जनरेटेड 1 रुपी. वो कहाँ से कर रहे, क्या कर रहे, कुछ भी कर रहे. आई नॉट, वी यूज्ड टू टेल, अरे करो ना, व्हाट, अरे मेरे से नहीं होता तेरा धंधा, वट एवर यू डू, इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके इफ यू डोंट डू इट. ऐसा कॉम्पिटिशन हो जाता है.
So that reminds me of that Shah Rukh Khan movie. I know it was not that great movie, but that Happy New Year movie. And if you remember Deepika's dialogue, "Itna easy nahi hai Mohini ka dance." Is that what you mean? Okay. On that note, my team is already flagging that we are time up, but I'm going to make this end with a quick rapid fire so that you just know what makes Shrikant Buredi a Shrikant Buredi. So Shrikant, what is your favorite car? Let's put it in 2 parts: dream ride versus your daily ride.
ड्रीम राइड कोई नहीं, डीलर जो पैसा है तो जो गाड़ी लिया वो है. बट आई थिंक आई हैव गुड कार्स एंड आई लाइक दोस. जो ड्राइवर एक्चुअली आफ्टर ए पॉइंट इन लाइफ ना, यू विल सिट इन व्हाट योर ड्राइवर लाइक्स, यू विल नॉट सिट इन व्हाट कार यू लाइक.
Awesome. Okay, so this is a twist. If your journey from the start, from where you started to now when you are acquired by Verse, was a movie title, what would that movie title be?
फाउंडर.
Founder. Oh, founder. Okay. Okay.
फाउंडर ड्रिवन है ना.
Founder driven. Great. One app you can't live without on your phone.
इंस्टाग्राम.
Instagram. Your Instagram handle where people can find where Shrikant is moving around.
श्रीकांत बुरेड्डी.
Okay. If not affiliate marketing, what career would you would have chosen?
पर पैसा तो बना देता था, बट आई डोंट नो वेयर आई वुड बी, बट आई विल मेक श्योर आई वुड हैव मेड मनी.
Okay.
इफ नॉट दिस, इट वुड हैव बीन मोर, नॉट लेस.
Great. And a founder, if given a choice, you would have traded places for one day. That's my last question.
See, you know, there's so many inspirations day in day out.
Yeah.
एक दिन इंडिया का फाउंडर अच्छा लगता है. You know, IMI says that we should celebrate Indian founders.
Yes.
Someone says we should celebrate global founders. I think, you know, I am the best for myself. Bootstrap किया है, क्या अच्छा है. Bootstrap धंधा चालू किया, 1 रुपये पैसा नहीं लिया, आज तक पैसा नहीं मांगा, एक दिन सैलरी लेट नहीं किया, 450 लोग एम्प्लॉयज है, और कंपनी को बेच दिया 51%. आई बिकम ए सपोर्टिव टू द वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कंपनी इन इंडिया, एंड वी आर गोइंग फॉर IPO जर्नी. एंड US में चालू किया, चाइना में कर रहे, साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में कर रहे, इंडिया में 3 ब्रांड चला रहे. आई थिंक मेरे जगह पे कोई हो के मेरा जैसा करता है ना, आई वुड बी अप्रिशिएटेड.
Awesome.
आई मीन वो इट्स आई थिंक अपने आप दम है बस.
Great. So, guys, here's the story of grit, resilience, reinvention, and this is Shrikant Buredi from Value Leaf and Buddy Loan, and I'm Latika. We are signing it off. Thank you so much, Shrikant. It's been great 20 minutes,
Thank
and we
you.
hope we were able to bring in some energy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi. So my question is, मतलब आपका रीजनल प्ले है वो आपने क्लियर किया, बट लेट्स से अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ, वी हैव बोथ ऑप्शंस. रीजनल प्ले भी कर सकते हैं, ग्लोबल प्ले भी कर सकते हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स लाइक देयर इज मतलब आर्बिट्राज का गेम है, यू कैन अर्न बेटर बाय इन्वेस्टिंग सेम अमाउंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. So, like, how would you, let's say, if you have to make that choice right now, starting from scratch in 2025, जो भी मतलब आप AI का पेस देख रहे हो, रिसोर्सेज भी इन्वेस्ट करना इजी हो गया है, तो आप क्या डिसीजन लेते हैं इस टाइम पे?
So, in 2025, what I would do, looking at the current scenarios, एक चीज़ दो चीज़ मैं बोलता हूँ ना, ये सारे है ना बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेशन दिमाग में होते रहते हैं. I'll tell you the fundamentals ना, तू जितना भी हो, अगले 1000 साल, अगले 2000 साल, fundamentals never change. The fundamentals is that जितना चद्दर है उतना पैर. These are the fundamentals. And what you can do, you do. If someone, there is a 2 people company, if they are doing the arbitrage, and 10 people company, if I can't do arbitrage but I can do something else, I would do that. If you ask me today, after knowing, having so much knowledge and today, that I would start a business where I can make more margins. That can be any kind of, within our ad-tech business I'm talking, I would have done that. And coming to AI picture, so I think there is going to be a challenge for ad-tech, and I don't know what is the level of the challenge, because I was in China, we were discussing, and I was in US, we were discussing this, that most of the people are moving their internet space from what is today to something else. So what is the tomorrow their internet space? We don't know. Like today example, what is internet space earlier was reading articles, today watching video. That's the difference of in 2 decades that has changed, right? So what is today is going to be, tomorrow is going to be something else. So how we are going to act there, we don't know that. Is AdTech going to be the same, or is it going to be more powerful, or is it going to lose its charm? And if I have to do something looking at AI as an option today, of course I will bet on AI, and I will start, want to converse this couple of companies. For example, Microsoft, we started doing that. Can I do ads on their, that OpenAI, whatever they have, that is possible. So we started doing those conversations. But there is going to be some challenge, but we are working, if I would work like that. But fundamentals kabhi nahi badalta, dost. Fundamentals are there. Thank you.